PG-13.
What's up, guys? What's that stupid? Lights on, dude.
That is you.
That's Joe.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
Eric, you better watch out. Look behind you.
I know, you see that.
This is getting a little...
Follow me.
They're so good.
Please don't be my
Wild jungle cat.
Yes.
With the bell. Shut up.
He's here. He's right there. He's going. Get him. Get out of my way.
We gotta get this wild jungle cat. Take my gun.
Let me hold the gun. Let me hold the gun.
We caught them all.
Give me the gun.
That hair a little bit shorter.
We've caught them all.
So cute though. Too bad we have to execute it.
Not yet.
Aww, when do I get to execute it?
No. We're taking yours to what they call the bed.
Can I execute it?
The Chaka monkey. He humps you.
Can I shoot it?
Get him!
Kablamo! 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 Die, stupid cat! What do we do now? Can we watch you hang yourself?
No.
Aw.
Okay.
Now, he's
so gay.
He's the monster of gay.
We're going to show you the coolest thing ever. Wait, about to flip this up.
Oh, smooth.
Do you know what this is?
A monkey.
What is his name?
Chaka. From the land of the
Chaka.
lost.
Yes. You know what Chaka's dance is?
Molly.
You know who this is?
That is Roger Cat.
That is a gay thing. It looks like a
You know
giraffe
what
and a
Chaka's
kangaroo.
dance is?
No, I don't.
He's really tired right now, so I have to show you the dance.
Let me zoom out all the way here. And show us what you got.
You can barely see him.
Yeah, still see him.
Is
He does that with someone?
Yes. Let's go, Chaka.
No, dude.
You have to sit up
You
and hold her.
I'll hold him down.
Gosh, man. No, dude, don't hold him down, man. I dare you to French kiss. Put your tongue in his little monkey mouth.
For $50, man.
I'll give you $50.
Okay, man.
Be right here. I'm not touching it.
That was worth $50. No, punk, where's my $50? Oh,
Let's go.
never
Do
mind.
not fall on that.
Never mind.
It's up your butt.
I didn't-
Now, that is the end of our show.
Can you pull it out for me?